Alright, so continuing on with task 8, our sample is now done spinning for 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the centrifuge. And then I'm going to take out the balance. I'm just going to take the blue cap, put it back on, and throw it in the garbage because we don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out our mixed sample. So as you can see, mixed pretty well. Okay, we have our sediment down at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just decant the supernatant, which is all the fluid on the top, because all we want is to have our sediment at the bottom so that we can add in a drop of our new methylene blue stain. So I'm just coming over to the sink, and again, I'm just going to decant the supernatant. Okay, so now if we look in our tube, all we have left is our sediment. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my secondary container of my new methylene blue stain. I'm just going to place that down, and I have 2 different pipettes. So for the first one, I'm just going to dip it in just so I can place 1 drop into our centrifuge tube, which has our sediment in it. So again, all you need is 1 drop, 1 drop, and we'll throw that one in the garbage because we don't need it anymore. And then with my other pipette, I'm just going to put it in, and this is where we're going to use the pipette just to mix the new methylene blue stain with the sediment really well. Again, I'm doing gentle motions, but you just want to make sure that you mix it really well. Okay. We're going to suck some of that up. Okay. So then we're just going to bring it over to our slide right here, and we're just going to place 1 drop on the center of the slide. Perfect. So then we're just going to put that back in there. We're going to place that right here. And again, I'm just going to put my cap on and just put this over in my tube holder for now. So now that we have our drop onto our slide, what we want to do is just take a cover slip and place it on top of our drop. Okay? So now, as you can see, we have our slide with our sample and our cover slip. So we're going to go ahead and get set up over at the microscope with the slide and take a peek and see if we find anything.